Here's a classic Ford to take a look at. 1947 Ford Deluxe Sedan. As you can see, riding on the steel wheel covers with Ford center caps, beauty rings, wide white wall radials. Let's take a look at the front bright work and chrome on this one. Headlight surrounds. Presentable, nice car for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Underneath this hood, flathead V8. According to the casting numbers on the head, is error correct to be a 239 cubic inch flathead, and that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Paint does show some blemishes and some little imperfections in the clear. To me, it's one, get in and drive it. Is it a trailer queen or $20,000 paint job? No, but is it still presentable? Yes. A couple little rock chips on that front glass. Of course, it does have the center divider to it. There's one just on the other side there too. Take a look at that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see some of those things pointed out in the still pictures. You also see the engine bay. You'll check out the underside, interior. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's got a neutral cloth interior, very original looking dash, and headliner as well. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll open that up, let you take a look at it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, if you want to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it, reflection coming off of it. But again, a few imperfections here and there, and it's mostly just kind of some little debris or imperfections in the clear. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Again, very stock looking dash, as you can see. Door panels, rubber flooring. Take a look at the headliner, also intact. Just very stock looking, let's put it that way. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, you're going to have just the on-off switch here. As long as that lock cylinder is unlocked, you can click that switch on. Hit the starter button over here on the left. You can see how easily it fired up. Now, it does appear that these gauges are working also. Fuel came up, oil pressure is on the rise. Battery, and then I'm assuming the temperature is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. Make sure that we're in neutral here. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. What you expect out of a flathead. Sounds very stock, not modified, cammed up, anything like that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. This one's going to have the release for the hood inside the car here. We point where that is. So let's pull this. That's going to release the hood. And I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. And
hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Go hood open. Again, flathead V8, according to the casting on the head of the passenger side. You see it in the still pictures. Looks like error correct, 239. Sounds and runs like you'd expect. Good sounding, just again, stock looking engine bay too. There you go, looking for a classic Ford. Maybe take some friends with, grandkids. Looking for a sedan. Here it is, 1947 Ford Deluxe Sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.